After successful installation of the Keep in Touch module, you can start to create new contact frequencies for your contacts. Open the contact, and in the Kit configuration subpanel, you can create new contact frequencies. Click Create and define a new rule. You can choose from calls, meetings, and tasks as a type, an interval, for example, every week. The contact is already related, and now we have to choose the start date, for example, from 10 until 11:30. This date is set as active. If you need to pause or deactivate it, just deactivate the checkbox. We want to be this rule active, and you can also choose the skip weekend functionality, which will skip the weekend if the next meeting will be on Sunday or Saturday, and will create it for Monday. Hit save. And now you can update the Keep in Touch dashlet, and you will see the next Kit activity is created for tomorrow. You can also see the Kit activities from your colleagues. You can also create a new one. For example, you have a call every 30 days, and you want to be able to create this with a rule. For example, you do it always on Monday. Just for half an hour, and click save. So now you have two rules for yourself, one for the call and one for the meeting. In the list view of the contacts module, you have a dedicated column where you can see when the next activity will take place for each Kit configuration. When you close the associated activity, for example, we set this meeting to held, you will be able to see the next activity, which will be the call, and we also see that a new activity is created for the next interval, in this case next week. It will definitely save you a lot of time because you won't have to create follow-up activities by yourself. You will also no longer forget to create this type of activity, and it will provide a much better overview in your system for repeatable activities. We are sure that it will make your team more productive and successful. We wish you all the best with it.